In this video, we're going to demonstrate how easy it is to replace the filters on your large iAdaptAir 2.0 model. So first, you just push down on the front to release the latches of the lid. Remove your lid. Slide out your old filter. Slide out the second old filter. And then you're simply going to slide your new filters in. It does take a little bit of firm pressure to put them in because they do seal pretty tight in the unit. Once they're pushed all the way in, simply grab your lid, slide it back, and press down on the latches. To reset the filter indicator timer, you simply hold down the information button for a few seconds until you hear those 3 beeps, and now it's been reset, and you'll see the remaining filter life is 100%.